Let's address the question regarding the feasibility of switching to aluminum service entrance cable after using copper conductors in the service mast, considering a 200 amp service upgrade in an existing 100 amp service. There are potential issues with this approach. Code requirements outlined in the National Electrical Code, commonly referred to as the NEC, stipulate that service entrance conductors must be either copper or aluminum. Crucially, they should maintain the same material throughout their entire run from the meter socket all the way to the service panel. This requirement is intended to ensure consistent performance and minimize potential problems. Introducing different metals can lead to corrosion concerns. Copper and aluminum react differently when exposed to moisture. This difference in reactivity can trigger corrosion at the point where the two metals connect. This corrosion can compromise the electrical connection, potentially resulting in safety hazards and ultimately connection failures. Also consider compatibility. The meter socket itself may not be designed to accommodate a transition from copper to aluminum conductors. The terminals within the meter socket might not be compatible with aluminum, potentially leading to an unsafe connection. With these issues in mind, here are some suggestions you might want to consider. 1. Revisit the estimate. Modify the estimate if possible. Discuss with the customer the additional cost associated with using electrical metallic tubing, often called ENT, for the service mast and the copper conductors. Highlight the safety and code compliance benefits of using the proper materials. 2. Consider installing a separate service entrance. Think about installing a separate service entrance, including a new meter socket specifically for the 200 amp service. This would enable you to use the ENT and copper conductors for the new service, while leaving the existing 100 amp service undisturbed. 3. Consult a certified electrician. Seek advice from a licensed and certified electrician to discuss the project's specific requirements and explore possible solutions. The electrician can assess the feasibility of the options and ensure compliance with all applicable codes. These recommendations should be considered in the context of your local regulations and codes. Always consult with local authorities and qualified professionals for accurate guidance.